Project number 12, Robotics, EasyDriver, Mk01.
Hi, robotics is me. Robotics is good in Canada Lake. Sexy me. Robots submarine and in photo the camera and film and go to lake and this and good, but now this like good but cheap and now microcomputer is good now because cheap and good. Before this the battery and this and bad, but now cheap and good. Electronics good. So now Arduino Uno screws the display stepper because see the cheap and good stepper breadboard wire and see the programming Arduino Uno and see step motor is good because step motor is good in printing, plotting, milling and todo. So it's good and cheap. Precise position control. So good. So Arduino, shield and display. So go to power. Perfect. Power 5 volts. Ground. Good. Step motor. And now the EasyDriver. So 2, 1 and 2. So good for, so now, wait, breadboard, so now, ground, ground and 5 volts. So good. Ground, no, power, ground, ground, no, power, Good. Ground and ground. Step motor, and this, and this, and C. Now, Arduino programming and C. Now, Arduino and programming. Version Arduino Uno shield display stepper and driver. So good. Light backlight. Good. And switch the up, down, right, left, stop, and that's it. And green is like good. So switch up, down, left, no, right, left, and stop. And that's it. And set up display and output for, and that's it. So go and see. It's good. So and come this good. Perfect. Now the set motor is good. Stop good. So up, down, left, stop. That's it. Fine. So, bye-bye.